Hey guys, it's Maggie here. In this video, I will tell you how to promote your article on social media. Remember that it's not enough to publish your article on your website, you need to promote it to get even more traffic to the post. The best place to start is Facebook. You can share a link to your article on your personal profile. And what I also like to do is create a short post with a very useful tip and share it in Facebook groups. Just make sure it is not spammy, but it adds value, it contributes to the group. Because if it will be spammy, it will be more likely to be removed by the group moderators. You can write a short paragraph describing what's in the article and adding smart tip that people can learn from the post. Then make sure to add a link to the post that links to your article. Facebook groups are great for promoting your content. Just make sure that the group you're posting in is in the same niche that you are in. So for example, if you are in a fashion niche, you make sure that you joined fashion related Facebook group. Another great platform is Instagram, and I am slowly discovering or rediscovering Instagram and how powerful it is. You can create daily posts with small tips from the article and make sure to have the article linked from your profile so you can send people from the post to your link in bio. I also love Instagram stories. Instagram stories get a lot of attention, so you can tell about your article, tell about the post, tell about the tips that you included in the article, and invite people to visit your profile and click the link in bio as well. Instagram stories are much more interactive, especially if you talk to the camera. They're much more engaging than pure Instagram posts. You can also try IGTV, which is Instagram TV. This is like YouTube, but on Instagram. You can post short videos telling about the article, telling about the topics that you covered, and invite people to visit your profile and then to click to your website to read this post. You can film IGTV videos on your phone and upload them directly to Instagram. YouTube. I love YouTube, and it is such a great and powerful platform. It allows you to reach way beyond your followers and subscribers because people will find you on YouTube by searching for the certain keywords. Make sure that your videos are optimized with the most popular search phrases. This way your videos will be discovered much quicker. If you don't create regular videos, don't worry, some of the videos in the beginning will suck, but don't worry, create new version later on. If you're not comfortable talking to the camera, which happened to me in the very beginning, the very first years of running Rock Paper Copy, I wasn't comfortable talking to the camera. What I did, I was recording a screen. I still do that for certain videos. However, I noticed much bigger engagement when someone can see who's talking to them on the camera. Obviously, people engage much better with other people, so talking to the camera definitely helps. However, screen recording is perfectly fine to get started. QuickTime Player is the free software I use to create my videos, whether I'm recording a screen or whether I'm talking to the camera. I'm using QuickTime Player for this particular video as well. I use QuickTime Player for all of my videos unless I film from my mobile phone. You can create short 2 or 3 minute videos telling about the article, telling about the topic you covered, telling about the benefits people can get by reading this article, and make sure to put a link in the video description linking to the post on your website. Other social media to post on obviously include LinkedIn, Twitter, and TikTok. However, I am not using TikTok myself. So I won't be able to advise you how to use it to promote your business or to promote your article. I might use it in the future. I'm not using it at this very moment. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please make sure to click like underneath and subscribe for my YouTube channel for more regular SEO and e-commerce tips. I'll speak with you soon. Bye bye. Please do me a great favor, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for the algorithm and hit the bell to get notified every time I add new video. There's new video coming every week on Tuesdays and Fridays. Also check the other videos shown here and see even more clips on my YouTube channel. Speak with you soon. Bye bye.